Welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about cleaning your motorcycle chain, and particularly using SDoc100 Motorcycle Chain Gel Cleaner. This thing is amazing, and I particularly like it because you can use it with the pressure washer as well. This is where it's different. I only use this when I'm doing a full wash of the bike. Otherwise I just use a regular chain cleaner like Worth, WD-40 chain cleaner, Motul, any brand you like. This is different because you get to use it with the pressure washer. So in this video we're going to be using the chain cleaner and a chain cleaning brush. You don't have to use one of these. You can easily use a toothbrush, no problem with that at all. I like using this. It cleans more sides more easily. So what we're going to do is go out to the bike and I'll show you how to use it. All right, let's crack on. Okay, so we're back at it. Now, what we're going to do here, just get the side stand out of the way. I find it's easier. It's super simple. You just spray the product all over the chain. So I like to get in here, but you can come round and do it here as well. And not a bad idea because you get to get on the rear sprocket too. Doesn't matter too much if it's all going to go over the wheel. And the reason I say that is because we're going to pressure wash all of this off. So what the case is, you get a good little coating on, just like this. And then after 15 minutes, you come back and pressure wash it off. That's brilliant timing for me because that's roughly how long it takes me to get the rest of the kit out. So I come round, apply this first, and then I go and get the rest of the kit to do the cleaning. It works out pretty well for me. So, bit of sped up footage now of me just applying this, and then we'll come back in 15 minutes. Okay, so the other thing I do, this is optional, it depends how dirty your chain is, I like to do this anyway, is you can agitate. Now the important thing is to agitate it while the product's still wet, so you do it straight after the application and then let it dwell for 15 minutes. As such, I'm going to spray a bit of extra product onto this just to help a little bit, and then get in there and give it a good scrub. That's one full loop, both sides of the chain done. You can see it's already working. I don't think you can see this on the floor yet, but it's dripping off a little bit. So that's all good. Back in 15 minutes with the rest of the kit, and this will be ready to blast off. Okay, here we go then. 15 minutes later, let's give this a blast and see what we get to. That's basically it. Now this is all clean, and obviously it's soaking wet. What you do now is clean the rest of the bike. That's in another video. Clean the rest of the bike, and then we're going to come back and we'll dry all this. I use a pet dryer. Dries it really easy, really efficiently. Gets all the water out, which is good. And then you just put your chain protector on. I happen to use, after doing this process, I happen to use the SDoc white chain protector. It's really good stuff. Only downside is it needs to cure afterwards, so you leave it overnight. Whereas if I was going out straight for a ride again, I'd probably just use the WD-40 or Worth stuff I've got in the cupboard. Anyway, hope that's been of use, and stick around for the next video, which is cleaning the whole bike. All right, thanks very much. Bye.